did not. The bathroom where him not have and him have to buy water, to flush toilet and all of that. You did blood clot there when all of that did go on. You were there. You never leave the first night. The first night you just say your shit. And you couldn't flush the toilet like you could have got your yard. Go on to your blood clot yard. I'm gonna pick up for police. I'm gonna pick up for Annie. I just a truth. All I think that when you complain about no, you shouldn't have done more than one day, girl. 24 hours. If you sleep the night and you couldn't go home, me I go home the next day. And days you there for. So days you know so you have to shit and buy water. And days you know so shop you live in. And if me stay upon this and the people that tell you to go home, you never go home. And it's not for police, because I me a blood clot bring. Because I like bad girl and Annie's a bad girl. You understand? But I just the truth. You knew all of this. So when any people then kick up, you walk up, talk, all of that, it just don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. Talk about sitting else. Me not count to nobody or people argument, me a buy out just like when I buy out my own. So now see me in a screen record and I talk about say my love chat come kiss out my blood clot. Any boy yard me go, I not feel comfortable, me not going back, I'm dying for morning come. Sometimes, and that's why I always have my get vexed money, because I guess I see at night, me a blood clot left. We don't know what style, I go a boy yard and uncomfortable. Dip, text a friend, text my phone right now and tell me say my baby sick, you don't know a blood clot code. I say text your friend right now and say call them my phone and tell me say my baby sick, me have to come home. And my baby that foreign, you have to tell me something different. My grandmother was see my sister over hospital. Hey, push away, me not staying.
Yeah, which one want?
September, me a Libra. We don't know them style there. Them not have no style. No boy could make me stay them uncomfortable also several days. I don't know fly out and I can't buy my tickets. I lie I tell. Me could have been I see in Jamaica. I mean that yard for almost days. Uncomfortable. And I never go like she uncomfortable. I need to go like she in a love. I truth. When I give a fuck about police, even when him up on the screen. Police do what him do. But truth. Everyone no catch on in a one day. Be fair, no. I am talking about the things that they are talking about in the comment section. Remember, I'm not there. I don't know. Me no scroll. Them are talking about all of the things that Annie is complaining about. If you got the money out for 24 hours, you see say a shit a flush toilet. And you say you're not used to them life. What you doing there? This is not catch on in a one day. So you see with your eye. What you mean by catch on, girl? You blind? Are you not blood clot blind? So you walk in and she says a shop. What them did do blindfold and carry in there? He never blindfold and carry. In fact, she walk in, she know it was a shop. Can she get if it's a water and did have to catch?
Big up
all of this. I am just saying, me not like when people want broke up, them broke up, you know. But all I think them want hero. Me, as I say, me like Annika, and is a bad girl. Once I start treating her bad, she gone. Me will forever respect a woman like that. Because enough of us sit down in a bad blood clot treatment for years. So you have to big up Annie. Me not pick no side. I whole heap of stay in a bad treatment for years. As she feel like him a treat her bad, she ready for her blood clot yard. And nothing wrong with that. And she have to rally back for the man who beat her and treat her bad. Because she knows him a treat her better than this year, so. And she want to leave, she leave. I want to girl sit down in a bad treatment. So, and the truth says she don't want to sit down in a bad treatment, she can always live on her yard. But nobody come talk about the things, them, the shop where you did live in, the toilet where a water you have to buy, and this and that, and nobody come talk about all of that when you did there for many, many days. All the blood clot dinner. So, I ask you something, Annie. What you are doing roses pan grung in a blood clot shop? What make you put up body can, girl? What make you put 17 shrimp brownie rice in a cup? In a shop! Me see that!
Hold on,
no, Airbnb, me never know. Me done. Me think I did this shot.
You get some, okay?
Hey, life nice.
Oh, God.
I see the find some people business, you know. Talk, police.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
So, you see you never active, but you see the everything, you see the whole of them there.
No, me see the rose on the ground. Me see that and me see the body candle. Me can't get the body candle out of my head. Me don't want to try them for my bathroom. Anyways, me never did know sir Airbnb. Remember me not scrolling now. So me the things say oh Scotch you say oh babe nobody never do this to me yet, you know. I mean I say oh God police file up finally. You know I'm happy for you boy. So that means I don't know me not see shop. Me don't know a shop then. You know, see shop, you know, the shop is where it's at now. Okay. You love people business. Oh, the shop never make go up on camera. Alright, so what are the come up and retrack a story, you know, we are start out the story right. Because I don't like your wrong news, you know. That's why I have to get me investigators then tell me things them, you know. So alright, Annie never be comfortable in her shop. That's why Annie didn't end up that
so much with that chair wrong with it.
Well I know. What did dinner did cook with the 17 shrimp? Annie never did comfortable at the house. So Annie did end up go at Airbnb and share the one. At that, Annie rent the Airbnb. Well I know. And you the Airbnb for comfortable for she stay. Okay. So that means the police woman. Annie, I am very sorry. Annie, I am very sorry. They never tell me the story good. You know some go clean me house. I come here, I come on for this blood clot. Because I'm very sorry. Annie, so Annie never like your house from day one. She did tell her that?
No, never so. Anything them say last year.
One thing with police, you know, you can't take the king and back. He's back strong, yeah. And then first thing in a back,
the money.